feel free to share these questions, and we will discuss them.
Hey,
Guys,
Alex, can I just ask one quick question?
Yeah.
So I'm working on grabbing the data from that Google sheet and putting it into Postgres. And I was just curious, in general, is that something that's going to be scheduled using the scheduler?
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. That's just making sure. Cool.
Let me show you. You are very close with AppCheck changes, and here we have a Celery, our task scheduler, and I will show you how it works. Just okay. Let me show the code. Probably this will be a little bit better. And here, Kevin, you see here. This is how the AppCheck got all data about users from the database. You see, and right now on our Heroku instance, we have this. We use PostgreSQL. And let me show this PostgreSQL. And actually, we have this data of our patients. And we have data clips. And this data, right now, we have hybrid approach on our production. And we use Google Sheets, but we started, for some functions, we started use our database PostgreSQL. And let me show you this table. You see here, this is our table patient. And actually what scheduler did, or what scheduler does right now on server, you go to this table, accordingly this code, just a second, accordingly this code, and get this data. And after that, in the cycle, he push the request to get some missing files, or missing fields. And from user's point of view, it looks like this is our old, I believe, old functionality of Google Spreadsheets. And here you see we have a different fields, and some of them will be missing. And this schedule profile will help to get them. Sorry for all details,
No, that's very
Kevin.
helpful. Thank you.
I tried to put all context because some guys not so close work as you work. And thank you so much for your shifting. Just for understand, guys, Kevin trying to read of all Google spreadsheets in our document, in our service, and for instead of this use PostgreSQL. Kevin, is it difficult task, and some thoughts on this? How you doing with this task?
I think I'm doing okay with it. I can get the data from the Google Sheet fairly easily. It's more just kind of making sure that the way I set it up is going to work with everyone else, and make sure that it's scheduled and yeah, backed up properly.
And guys, short recap. Kevin, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. Short recap, because we did not have it. I forgot to make a record, and short recap what we discussed. I shared thoughts about scheduler process and how it works, and I show how it works on our Heroku production. And I shared thoughts and struggle points which I go through all these moments to deliver to production. And one of the interesting thing and challenge which I wanted that you think, and for who will see this in the record, that right now we have a 3 DINA process, and we have to pay for this process some amount of money. Probably from engineering point of view, you know some how to reduce costs and how to optimize this solution. And probably this is a new task scheduler process. Frankly speaking, as for me, I'm not sure because I love this Abhishek technology and how he provide all for us all these things related to the Celery and scheduler. Probably this is a combination of two Heroku instance or maybe another instance which will handle, for example, bit of Celery or another ideas which will reduce our cost. And feel free to share with the team or for me personal, and we will discuss it. And guys, any other questions, guys from mobile world? Emmanuel, probably you can add something or ask something which is not clear.
Yes, I have a question on for the Indian mobile number, but till I not got it, so that's why I'm unable to perform this task. So what can I do in this situation? Because US number is not supportable. International calling is not available in my currently service provider. So do you have any solution for that?
Emmanuel, right? This question from your side, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Emmanuel, we have 3 tasks. And did I get it right? Your question about service, which backend right now does not provide for you. Yeah, this is your question.
Yes, my question is that simple is that first we have need to a mobile number or for dummy number for performing your or for testing purpose. So I have a US number. So US number is I have a US number, but our calling SIM provider does not give permission to call on US number.
Oh,
So
yeah, I got it.
so I bought Indian number. I apply for the Indian number, but it take up to for 10 to 14 days. So I think wasting of time is not a particular solution. So for currently now, do you have any particular solution for that?
Let me understand your problem. Actually, you're located outside of United States, right? And you set up the phone number, United States phone number, right? But you have struggling with getting access, with getting phone numbers to this number, because you are actually your real position in India, your location in India.
Yeah, my location is India, so I am facing to calling an US number. So that is my problem.
Yeah, and we have a workaround solution for this. And in short, this solution is to install, I don't know, oh, my phone is helping me to make a video. And actually, this solution is use a soft phone. In other words, to install application on your laptop or on your computer locally, and this will work exactly as a US phone number. And this is a workaround solution for this. And let me show link for this Twilio. And we have just a second. And we have here, you see how to set up SIP phone outside of United States. Actually, here the 2 links. And general idea is to install this soft phone on your local machine, and you probably will need to set up domain, SIP domain, and at the end of this guide, you will get United States phone number on your local machine, and you will able to receive calls to this like Skype for the for the Twilio, and you will have a chance to call from this soft application to the United States by the, and it will cost you very, very small amount of money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so cool. I will set up for that. First, I read all the documentation properly. Then I will set up. Then if I done, so I can message you or inform you in Slack.
Yeah, yeah, sure. And let's for everyone, let's set up a personal call, and we will discuss all details personally. That I will try to help you with all things related to this. Emmanuel, thank you so much for your question. I'm sure that these two guys for who is outside of the United States will super helpful that we have these two links. And once again, these two links in our useful links channel. And here, links about Twilio, how to set up say SIP for the call if you're outside the United States. And any other questions, probably ideas, things for brainstorming. Probably other blockers, guys, which blocked you during this week, and if you successfully pass all these blockers, share how you succeeded with them. I'm sure that Kevin had a lot of blockers, but he successfully resolved all of them.
Right? I don't know, something like that.
Yeah, and just I want to show you Kevin's contribution and his as our volunteers. He works here, and you can check the code and how the Kevin works right now, and you can check every changes using this GitHub functionality. Feel free to collaborate through the source code. It's easy to understand ideas. Sometimes program language more understandable than the real language. Okay, guys, if you don't have any questions, any suggestions, thank you so much. And sorry if I give you too much context today. I'm sure that right now you'll a bit more understand about how our scheduler works, how our Heroku process, and why I'm thinking about checking code before we pushing it to production first of all on Heroku. And I have one interesting idea to finish our meeting. What do you think, guys?
Let's hear it.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time on Saturday. Probably for some, this is the start of the Sunday. I don't know. We have a different time zones and different places. Thank you, everyone, and see you next time.
Thanks for everything, Alex. Great work on the Heroku stuff.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you.
Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
See you, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you so much, Alex, and take care.
Yeah, thank you, everybody.